Welcome back. This is Don Beavers with bloggingcodex.com. In our last tutorial we showed you how to manually add an article or a post to your WordPress blog, and today we're going to show you how to fully automate your blog's content using a program called wp-o-matic, which is a simple free plugin that you can get from the WordPress site. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is log in to your WordPress admin control panel. Scroll down to the link that says plugins and click on add new. You have a couple of features here. If you've already downloaded the plugin, you can simply upload it. If you haven't, just where it says search, enter in the term wp-o-matic and hit search plugins, and there it is. The next thing you'll want to do is click the install button, and it will automatically install to your blog. Just hit where it says latest version installed. For time's sake, I've already gone ahead and installed this, so what you're going to want to do is go to where it says plugins, and you'll see it here now, and click on activate. And you now have wp-o-matic installed and active on your WordPress blog. In order to manage your content, click where it says settings on the bottom left hand side of your screen and look for the new tab that says wp-o-matic and go ahead and click there, and you will now be at your control panel for wp-o-matic. Now there's a 4-step process in setup. The first one is just a simple test to make sure that wp-o-matic will run on your blog, and click next, and it says it looks good. They want you to check the time, make sure that the time on your server is the same time that you want it to be, so that you'll know when you're uploading new content it will match. So go ahead and click next there. The next step is called setting up a cron job. Now a cron is an automated script that runs periodically throughout the day that will allow your server to import content from whatever source you input, and it's basically a clock, an internal clock that will activate a script. And I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. If you'll log into your control panel, your cPanel, and scroll down to the link that says cron jobs, you'll have two options, standard or advanced. Go ahead and click on standard, and you'll want to grab the information that is on this page here and scroll all the way over to where the script starts and copy it. You don't need this part because that's timing, and I'm going to show you how to set that up manually. Go ahead and go back to that, and command to run, you're going to put in the URL for the script that imports the content. We're then going to set the time on when we're going to import the content. Now you have a lot of options here, but what I'm going to do is set this up to where the cron runs every weekday of every month, every day, and it's going to run, the standard default is it's going to run one time a day at 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that, but if we wanted to import every 10 minutes, we would select every 10 minutes of every hour. But since this is a small site and we don't have a whole lot of content that we're going to be importing, I'm just going to leave it to import data once a day at 3 o'clock in the morning. That way you're going to have fresh content every single day. And I'm going to send myself an email to let me know that the cron worked. Save the cron tab, and you now have a fully automated cron set up. Just went ahead and changed my email there. Okay, let's get back to the next step, which is I will be using a cron tab. We've already set up a cron tab. Click on next, and then hit submit to complete the installation, and you now have an automated content system.